floor and my hall. So this is my room. I actually ended up getting an upgrade. So I didn't get an upgrade on the flight, but I got an upgrade in my room, which is better because this is where I'll be for 7 days. And usually the rooms over here are small, but as you guys can see, this is extremely spacious. Oh, this is such a quaint little hotel. And here's the bathroom, and there is a tub attached to the shower. Oh my God, this is so fantastic. My robes, and the toilet. So the magical birthday gods are already working. So I now have it is the Le Litre Hotel, and I've got my key, and I've got my map, and I've got my coffee maker. So I am going to take a better nap than I did earlier because I was in the lounge sleeping, and then I will proceed through the streets of Paris before it gets too dark. But this is where I am. Very quaint boutique hotel. It is raining, so I'll have to put the hair up so it doesn't get messed up. But I am here, and I am happy to be in Paris. Paris is wonderful. Of course, you have to visit the sites. Of course, the Eiffel Tower. You must take the double-decker bus to be able to see all the great things Paris have, tourist-wise. You can get a 1-day pass or a 2-day pass, and you can get on and off as frequently as you like. You'll be able to see Notre Dame, the shopping that's there. You'll also be able to see the bridges, architecture. The bateau bus is also another option that you can use to get to and from the different sites, tourist spots, and locations. Chocolate shops you must visit, and absolutely the beautiful Louvre. The bateau bus and the double-decker bus are great options for getting around.